1. Unpacking your Weebooks. 1. Open the wood crate. Open the wood crate containing your Weebooks 3D printer. 2. Remove your Weebooks 3D printer. Cut the sealing tape on the carton box with a knife. Three. Remove clips. Remove your Weebooks 3D printer from the protective foam and plastic bag and set it down on a stable surface. Remove the protective film of your printer. Open the front door. Remove the 3 plastic clips that prevent X-axis gantry and extruder from moving during the shipping. Cut the zip ties holding the build platform in place.